Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how you can do a wire money transfer with Bank of America. You will need your account holder name, your bank name and bank account number, and your wire routing name. If your wire payment is going overseas, you'll need your bank SWIFT BIC code, the reason for payment, and intermediary bank information. You can log into online or mobile banking and select the transfer option. Log into your Bank of America account in your preferred way. Tap or hover over the transfer menu and then select the transfer to or from other banks. You can add in the recipient and confirm the payment details. Select the Make Transfer tab and enter the amount, currency and recipient and date of the payment. You may need to complete an additional verification step at this stage. You'll be prompted to check everything over and confirm the transfer, and your money will be on its way. If you prefer a face-to-face service, you can also send the Bank of America wire at a branch. It may be more convenient to make an appointment at your local branch before you go there. This will give the opportunity to double check all the details you need so you know you have everything prepared before you leave home. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.